And I think one important part of this slide as well is if you look at the change in the percent of salaries, it's gone up approximately 1.8% per year. But then when you look at the cost of living index, it's gone up 2.6%. This chart right here is really a salary comparison to the Suburban League, which is the school districts in the greater Kansas City area. And those are the districts that we compete with for teachers. And so our challenge, again, is to stay within 95% of those starting teacher salaries. Currently, we're about 95.8%, which puts us right there in the ballpark. But if you look at us, which is the star up top, and this is the 09-010 starting teacher salaries, and you compare that to every other district on that list, you will see that we are dead last. And so the challenge for us is, again, to produce a salary schedule that allow us to get quality teachers at our interview table. This chart is an average teacher salary chart that really was produced by someone outside of the St. Joe School District for comparisons for their own purposes. These are districts that are spread all across the state of Missouri, and these are districts that were chosen, and St. Joseph was actually chosen for this chart because they are a like district with a similar number of students, similar demographics to the other districts on this chart. And if you look, our average teacher salaries are a little over $42,000. The average for the peer group is $49,000. And if you look at the school districts that are immediately below St. Joseph, Independence, Blue Springs, North Kansas City, and Lee Summit, those are the districts that we directly compete with for staff. And you can see their averages are right around $50,000 a year. Class sizes. This gets a little tricky, and so the Missouri School Improvement Plan, which we call MSIP, suggests minimal guidelines, and those guidelines are in grades K through 2, 25, grades 3 through 4, 27, 5, 6 is 30, and grades 7 through 12 is 33. And what that guideline really tells us is if if the average class size gets above that for those grade levels, then we really have to do one of two things. We have to add a paraprofessional to help support the classroom teachers, or if the numbers get high enough, add another section in those grade levels. MSIP also has desired guidelines, and those guidelines are in grades K through 2, 20 students, 3 through 4, 22, 5 through 6, 25, and 7 through 12, 28. And in crunching a few numbers, if you go from the minimal guidelines to the desired guidelines in the St. Joe School District, that'd be approximately 50 teachers just at the elementary level, which would be approximately $2 million a year. What is St. Joseph? St. Joseph, first and foremost, is a service organization. We're here to provide service to the students of the St. Joseph community. Our mission is to educate each child for success. We have been recognized as a school district with distinction in performance in academic achievement each of the last 3 years. We have been recognized as Missouri with a Missouri ACT Show Me Award, the Hilliard Technical Center Governor's Award of Excellence for Economic Development, Central High School's International Baccalaureate Accreditation, Lafayette High School's Biomed National Accreditation, which is only one of 8 in the state of Missouri. Last year we had the Missouri Counselor of the Year. We had the Northwest Missouri Middle School Assistant Principal of the Year at Spring Garden. We had the Northwest Missouri High School Assistant Principal of the Year this year at our very own Central High School. We had the Northwest Missouri Middle School Principal of the Year at Bodie last year. Northwest High School Principal of the Year here at Central High School last year. We had a High School Media Center Facilitator, Librarian, which was included in the top 100 young leaders in this country. And we had the National Student Council of the Year award at Lafayette High School. Now we'll watch a little video that really addresses who we are as staff in the St. Joe.